Make Dan do it because he's the man. Thanks for all coming out and supporting the Joe thing, because we're gonna do it every year. I don't give a shit if Yngwie Malmsteen's across the street. And give it up for Popgun for opening up the show. You know, they're like the shit, and you'll see that video on MTV like shortly because they kick ass. They have a new album out. We got a whole shitload of merch, and it goes towards a charity, and I really appreciate it. There's also a jar for the Brenda charity that's on the other side of town, and I'd really like you to kick it in for that because we would be there if we weren't here. Again, thank you. This is my man Matt. He was in a band called Vision Shifter, and that was one of Chill's favorite bands, and they couldn't do it this year, but he's here, and he's gonna do this shit right here.
Thank you, Stu. Just gonna play a couple of acoustic songs. Massacre the fuck out of them. This one's just about me trying to get my shit together. Thus far it's not working out, but will I? Yeah, I get it. Will I overcommit my time? I spread myself too thin. I wanna say no, but they all depend. And I smile through it all, 'cause I'm doing the best I can. I smile through it all over again. I work my life away, not many hours left for me. Say I won't work no more, but my bills on me. I smile through it all, 'cause I'm doing the best I can. I smile through it all over again. Drinking too much at night, get myself in deep again. Wanna slow down maybe some other day. I smile through it all, 'cause I'm doing the best I can. I smile through it all over again. Losing touch with my friends, don't know what's going on with them. Call them up someday, but it never seems to come. I smile through it all, 'cause I'm doing the best I can. I smile through it all over again. And I smile through it all, 'cause I'm doing the best I can. I smile through it all over again. Thank you. Yeah, it records an F. Fuck up that F, man. F. Just do like two more, both quick. All right. I don't wanna be to find how I put in my 40s. I don't wanna be defined by those who work around me. My career goal is to not get fired. My career goal is to pay my bills. My career goal is to provide my life. All the things that I'd like to do. Like throw darts with my brother, pirate movies with my wife, and laugh at all the money we saved. Dumpster bikes with Eric, grab a couple bottles, drink along the edge of the pier, play music with my father, form a million shitty bands with no ass dishes, but to play. Grab breakfast with my mother, drive around, drink coffee, and smile for the rest of the day. Thank you. These are my little rantings about my own life, you know. Yeah. And this song is actually after Joe died. I wrote this one about him. So this one was for Marie and Joe Sr., obviously. I'm notorious for writing songs and completely forgetting them when I get on stage, and then I try to remember a lyric or two, and I just got it back. This song's about Joe. He was inappropriate, a booze addict, a piece of shit. He'd flip, don't know when to quit. Man, I miss him. He'll never be forgot. Said we're all losers till the end. He was a true friend you could depend. Genuine and anything I'll always remember. Well-read, other than Jonathan, person I ever met. Always said what he meant it and mince his words unapologetic. That's rare in this world. He could tell a good joke better than most. Always poke for your throat. How far would it go? Just shock value. He would always make you smile. How many times did we laugh about your reputation? How many times did we laugh about how much we had in common? How many times did you call me a liberal pussy? And how many times did I call you a backwards Republican redneck? And the joke is on anyone who knew you as Joe Zippo, and the truth is clear to anyone who knew you as Joe Kelly, and the joke is on anyone who knew you as Joe Zippo, cause who we really loved was Joe Kelly. Thanks guys.